Good day, welcome to my channel. Today videos I'm gonna show you how to do Windows backup to the USB drive, as well as you can do on external hard drive as well. I'm just gonna format the hard drive or USB drive. So the USB drive has been formatted. Just make sure there's no data in there before we get started. I download this program. You can just Google Win2USB. As you can see on the screen there, Win2USB. Today we're gonna do the first one, Windows to go USB. You can clone the operating system to a USB or any SSD drive to become a portable Windows bootable. And also you can reinstall your Windows. Select the first one, go select the source. In this case is your current operating system, which is Windows 10 in my case. Select the destination drive. You can insert USB drive or external hard drive in this area, and everything else just leave it as it is, and then press proceed. Warning: just make sure all your data will be deleted and formatted. Just go yes. So at this time it's gonna take a little while. It depends on how much data on your drive. In order to copy across or cloning across to the USB drive or external hard drive. So we're just gonna pause the video and get back to you when it's nearly to the end. Stay tuned. Thank you. All right, it's 100%. Finally, it took about 22 minutes. It depends on the storage of your drive to back up and clone to the other hard drive. In my case, it took about 22 minutes. Not too bad. So here's the result. I just connected to one of my spare laptop, and it seemed to be working okay, but not as fast as I expected. If you would do this, I wouldn't put it on USB drive, but instead SSD drive would be much faster. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my